Hi, this is Chris from Toyota Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2006 Toyota RAV4 CV, stock reference number 4610. This shape runs from the 11th month 2005 through to the 11th month 2012. It has a 2AZ FE, 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual all-wheel drive transmission. 2AZ FE, 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the left-hand front. We have a factory nudge bar supplied with all bolts and brackets. Right-hand headlight does have light sun cracks. It's fitted with 17-inch steel rims. Left front has a good tyre. Left power door mirror with a bit of paint fade on top. Left rear door, 3 small dents. Left rear, 17-inch factory steel rim with a good tyre. We have the left-hand tail light. It's got a tidy rear bumper cover, cut out for the tow bar. Factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom, neck and module. Spare wheel cover, hard cover type, in good condition. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right hand tail light. Right rear, 17-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Right rear door has 2 small dents. Right front door also has 2 small dents. Right guard appears to have no damage. A little bit of paint fade, clear coat peeling on the top. Right power door mirror. And a right front 17-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window up master switch. This vehicle's fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black vinyl center console lid, manual type console, 5-speed manual gear shifter, heater controls, single stack CD player.